Hello everybody, today's topic is class Mammalia. Word mammal derived from Latin language which means beast. Mammary gland and hairs key identification of class Mammalia. Active mammary gland found in females. Mammalia diverged from reptiles and aves in late Triassic about 220 million years ago. Around 6,400 species of mammals have been identified till date. The largest order are Rodentia and Chiroptera, and most advanced is primate. There are so many features which are unique for class Mammalia. Some of them are body distinctly divisible into head, neck, trunk and tail, limbs two pair, pentadactyl and adapted to walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming or flying. In epidermal region of skin, hair found and skin contains sweat glands, sebaceous glands and scent glands. Mammary glands are modified sweat glands. A muscular diaphragm separates the thoracic cavity from the abdomen cavity found in class Mammalia, which is one of the unique or exclusive feature of class Mammalia. Respiration always pulmonary, it means by lungs. Glottis and epiglottis found at the end of mouth cavity. Larynx is cartilaginous structure on top of trachea also found. Most of mammal contain two vocal cords in larynx. All mammals are homeothermous or warm-blooded. It means a constant body temperature never change with surrounding atmosphere. RBC is non-nucleated except family Camelidae, which represent by camel and lemur. Kidney metanephric and exertion ureotelic. Brain most complex and most advanced. Both cerebrum and cerebellum present. Four optic lobe called corpora quadrigemina and exclusive feature corpus callosum, which connect both cerebral hemispheres found in members of class Mammalia. 12 pair of cranial nerves present. Eye with eyelids and ear with external ear, which represent by pinna found in mammals. Sexual dimorphism generally well marked. Testes which found in male placed in suctorum outside abdomen. Except egg-laying monotremes, mammals are viviparous, development uterine, developing fetus attached to mother's uterine wall with placenta through which it get nutrition and respiration and care and protection. Parental care Class Mammalia classified into two subclasses, Prototheria and Theria. Prototheria are primitive reptile-like oviparous, means egg-laying mammals, represented by order Monotremata. In Monotremata, alimentary canal and reproductive ducts open by common opening called cloaca. Examples are monotremes, platypus and spiny anteaters. Subclass Theria further classified into two infraclasses, which are Metatheria and Eutheria. Metatheria have specific features, are born in a very immature state and complete their development attached to teeth in the abdominal pouch, which known as marsupium. Other unique feature is vagina double. Example are opossum, marsupials and infraclass Eutherians animal are viviparous placental mammals. Dentation never exceed 44 in number. Infraclass Eutheria represented by following 16 order. Insectivora key feature is primitive mammal with long pointed snout represented by shrew. Next is order Chiroptera represented by flying mammals or bats in which forelimbs are modified to patagium and hind legs short and included in wing membrane. Example are Pteropus and Desmodus. Next order is Dermoptera key feature 4 equal size limbs and tail included in the lateral skin fold, the patagium. Example Galeopithecus. Next order is Pholiodota. Unique feature is body covered with large horny scales, no teeth in mouth cavity, represented by Pangolins. Next one is Rodentia. Key feature of this order is in each jaw a pair of long toothless rootless incisors growing throughout life present, represented by rat squirrel. Next order is Logomorpha. Unique feature is the second pair of upper incisor behind the first pair of large incisors found. Canine's tooth absent, represented by rabbit. Next order is Cetacea. Cetacea are unique and quite different from other mammalians due to aquatic mode of life. Pectoral limbs modified into broad paddle-like flippers. Example are various whales. Next order is Sirenia. Key feature is paddle-like forelimbs. Hind limbs are absent, represented by dugong. Next order is Carnivora. Unique feature of this order is canine teeth large and molars are cutting type, represented by Canis lupus, Panthera leo, etc. Next order of class Mammalia is Hyracoidea. Unique feature is testes are abdominals and canines teeth absent. Example is Hyrax. Next is Perissodactyla. Unique feature is odd number toes found on limbs. Example are Iccus, Rhinoceros. Next order is Proboscidea. Unique feature is nose and upper lip modified into proboscis or trunk. Next order is Artiodactyla. Unique thing is even number of toes on limbs, represented by hippopotamus and sus. Next order of infraclass Theria is primates. This is the most advanced order of animal kingdom. Unique feature is large corpus callosum and flat nails on fingers and toes. Example are Homo sapiens.